Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am making this video to tell you why should you not use D7 lead finder if you are paying for it. Yes, you should not use D7 lead finder if you are paying for it. If you are able to pay for it, you should probably go to different software. But if you are not paying for it, and if you are a beginner in SMA or any niche industry, then you should be using D7 lead finder. Here I am telling you the reason. So in start, what we do is we go for any city and go for the niche we want to do, like work. Here I am going with solar installations in in Florida, in Orlando. Okay, let me tell you. Say the amount of data, the data they provide as an for paid things. We are getting it for free. Let me tell you something. Sunvina Solar. Remember this number 407553. And here you are with the Sunvina. If here decent lead finder Orlando, and I search for Solar, Sunvina Solar, and the number is same. So you shouldn't be going for decent lead finder if you want to pay for it. If you are able to pay for it, go for Leads Gorilla, Apollo.io, or anything else. But if you are not paying for it as a beginner, why should you use this? Let me show you something. Okay, this solar source this solar source haven't is not running any types of ad and had not run any ads in with current. Okay, in the past we can use by the pixel that is show, shown here, but if we don't have the number, we can reach it through the Instagram, to their Instagram ID on their page. Do can we find it? The solar ray. Here we can go with. I can tell you solar. It will be little bit difficult maybe, or no, I don't know. Where is the solar ray? Let me see. Here you can go directly on the Instagram like this. This one different, and you can try to convince them easily. See, now I am trying to tell them after the video. I will try to approach them and tell them how can we help them. So thank you.